Top 5.
Sunix Tools. Sunix 9618, a 4PC adjustable wrench set, 6, 8, 10, 12, storage pouch, black phosphate construction to decrease rust, corrosion, and deformation. Easy to turn knurls allow adjustable jaw to fit a range of fastener sizes.
Top 4.
IRWIN. Pro Touch Grip provides maximum torque and comfort and is slip resistant. Wrenches have English and metric scales, extra wide capacity, and a hang hole for easy wall storage.
Top 3.
Craftsman. Corrosion resistance. The adjustable wrench set has full polish chrome finish, meets or exceeds ASME specifications.
Top 2.
WORKPRO. Metric SAE scales. Each wrench in this set have precise measurements, inches mm. On each side of each tool is a scale that helps the user to actually set the jaws of the tool before the commencement of its use. Each wrench was engraved to show the size of the jaw, and adjustment was smooth on all two.
Top 1.
Knipex. Adjustable 15/16" jaw capacity wrench allows use of a smaller wrench for bigger jobs. Laser etched jaw marking scale for precise sizing in inch and metric. Plastic dipped handle provides added comfort and control.